Hello everyone, this is Kirk Ulrich.
And I'm Ian Vanner.
Welcome back to our video series, Beyond the Garage, where we highlight current Molex automotive connectors, then provide specific examples of other applications where these products can be used. Beyond the Garage.
Do you mean garage? Today we will talk about Mini50 and ConnTAK50, which are the smallest Molex external wiring connectors qualified to automotive standards.
As we've discussed in other episodes of this series, the number 50 refers to a 0.5 millimeter wide blade terminal for both families, but that's where the similarities end. Mini50 is the industry's only interface that meets USCAR 050 standards. USCAR, or the United States Committee on Automotive Research, is a North American-based organization led by the key automakers and supported by many connector manufacturers. We jointly develop qualification criteria and specific test procedures to ensure our products will meet the rigorous demands of transportation applications. The unsealed Mini50 parts are wire-to-board products intended for passenger compartment usage. Molex offers two-row housings in 2 through 38 circuits with vertical and right-angle headers molded in high-temperature materials to withstand reflow solder processing.
The ConnTAK50 family was designed around European LV214 standards and the Arbeitskreis or AK terminal interface. These wire-to-board connectors are available in single and dual-row configurations from 2 to 22 circuits. In addition to being a ruggedized design, ConnTAK50 has a unique side latch feature that supports usage in very tight spaces. Headers can even be supplied in tape and reel packaging for automated assembly to PCBs. The small size and rugged characteristics make these connectors an ideal choice to transmit low current electrical information between individual vehicle systems. The primary applications for these parts in vehicles include door-mounted control switches, passenger compartment mounted HVAC control switches, and liftgate activation switches. We also see these parts used inside headlamps and tailgates, where these assemblies are environmentally protected. Now, let's move beyond the garage.
He means garage.
And look for non-automotive applications for these systems.
These products have applications that can be used across multiple industries, as you see here. Let's look at a few of them now. The same Molex 0.5 millimeter connectors we just talked about for passenger compartment switches are also used in other transportation applications. The joystick controller on this small excavator has Mini50 inside the assembly to provide an additional level of durability during the life of the equipment.
The remote articulating camera uses ConnTAK50, where the small size and side latch make it an ideal choice to fit in the tight space between two PCB assemblies.
The prototyping area, utility room, and kitchen of the shop provide other applications for the Molex Mini50 and ConnTAK50 families. This 3D printer head is in constant motion while producing initial designs. The terminal secondary locks that are built into the Mini50 cable housings securely hold the signal wires during the entire printing process.
Either system would be a good choice for the control panel of this blender, especially when making drinks that involve grinding ice cubes. The robotic vacuum continually changes direction during cleaning cycles, and our transportation-grade latching features make sure the control board and drive motors function for years.
As you develop new product designs, consider harsh environment usage, then see how the same Molex Mini50 unsealed and ConnTAK50 products used in millions of passenger vehicles can help you design a rugged and reliable system to avoid expensive failure. More information on these connector families, along with hundreds of other rugged and reliable solutions, can be found on our website at molex.com. This is Kirk Ulrich
and Ian Vanner
signing off for now, but we look forward to seeing you on more episodes of Beyond the Garage. Whether it's in the garage or beyond the garage, Molex, creating connections for life.